Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So first you have to remove the handle cap using a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver. So insert the screwdriver through that small hole where the red arrow is pointing and pry the handle cap out. This is the handle cap. Then, if you can see, there's two screws inside that handle. So you have to remove those two screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove the panel from the clips, just pry it out. Then be careful to remove those cables and connectors from the door. So if you can see, you have to remove that cable from the handle. And then disconnect the security LED light wire. Just have to squeeze that tabs. Then you have to disconnect all three connectors from the window buttons. You just have to press on that tab to remove it. The other one is the same. Press and remove. Then you have to just pull it out. Now you have to remove the door handle using a flat blade screwdriver. So we have to press on those two tabs from the handle. We have to press inside to remove it. But first you just have to remove that silicone, that brown silicone, and then press on those two tabs to remove the handle, and then press it. And then go to the other part of the handle, and here remove the other part, taking on the side those two tabs, and then press the handle inside. Now you can take the handle out. So this is the handle. And if you want to separate the handle from the chrome handle, there's two tabs that you have to press it and then take it out. So press on that tab and the other one, and then push the handle out. While you press on those tabs, you just have to push the handle out. So this is the chrome handle. It's very easy to separate it from the plastic handle. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.